Gentle Electricals Private Limited was established in 2014 by Sunil Sharma and Prerna Shri Manav. Both accomplished electrical engineers. The ISO 9001 certified company has become a leading manufacturer of control panels for gensets and firefighting applications, acoustic enclosures, engine harnesses, and battery cables. Meet Indresh Khurrana, a bachelor in production engineering from the University of Pune and an alumnus of IIM Bangalore. Has had a distinguished 32-year career in customer care, service, and the aftermarket domain. His journey spans prestigious organizations like Modi Rubber Limited, Wickes Systems International Limited, Idra Presi Italy, Eaton, Wipro, Tafe Tractors Motors Limited, Greaves. With this extensive experience, he founded Gentle Engineers Private Limited, a group company of Gentle Electricals Private Limited. The state-of-the-art facilities include CNC laser cutting machines, MIG welding stations, CNC bending machines, and a powder coating paint shop with a 9-tank treatment process. For genset installation material fabrication, the company is equipped with rolling machines, blasting, and painting stations. Gentle has proudly partnered with industry giants Eicher, Tata, Escorts Kubota Limited, Sonalika, Reeves, and Kirloskar Electricals for the supply of control panels and wiring harnesses. The company also provides cost-effective wiring harnesses for electric vehicles, including two-wheelers, three-wheelers, and electric rickshaws. Gentle Engineers Private Limited strives to become a market leader in providing cost-effective and reliable solutions for automatic power transfer. The goal is to transform manual gensets into automated, seamless power solutions.
Hi, I am Anjana, an educationist for last 25 years, and I'm running my own digital studio at May. My business had a huge negative impact due to power outage, and almost 2 to 3 hours of my studio shooting were affected. It was badly affecting my business. I took a decision to go for 15 kVA genset, and I did. It really affected and it boosted up my work. But still I was facing certain problems. The power outage was very frequent and someone had to rush every time to genset to turn it on, bring it to mains, and when the power was back, again someone had to go back and turn it off to bring back to mains. We had to keep a tap on power restoration, and someone had to keep an eye every time when the power is turning off or coming back. And monsoons were horrible. Running out at the time of rain was really a very tedious job. At times the power was restored, but we were unaware and DG ran for extra hours despite of the fact that power was available. This not only hit our pocket but also affects the environment. Then I was introduced with Gentle ATS, which made my life simple and the operations become smoother. Every time when there was a power off, my generator was turned on just in a fraction of seconds without distracting any work. Now the power goes, genset automatically starts, load automatically switches to genset, the power automatically restores, the load gets transferred from mains automatically. And hardly we see disruptions for a couple of seconds. More importantly, Gentle ATS is very pocket friendly. I'm using it for last 12 months and there is no requirement for any services for it. There is no maintenance required for Gentle ATS panel. It has indicators which indicates on what source the load is running upon. I would highly recommend you all to go for Gentle ATS. It will really bring comfort to your life, to your workplace, and to any field you go.
Join Gentle Engineers Private Limited and experience reliable, cost-effective power solutions. Your partner in power solution.